Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow. Previous class study about the sustainable development of economic subject. So let us start with the new chapter of agriculture. You know that in economics we divide the three economic sector known as primary, secondary and tertiary sector. In primary sector mainly have agriculture and allied activities, mining and curing. In secondary have manufacturing industry others. In the tertiary sector we focus on transportation and others. So let us begin with the agriculture. Okay, consider the following statements are correct. Agriculture irrigation benefit program for the 12th 5-year plan has been deferred by the CCEA. What is the CCEA? CC is the Cabinet Commission of Economic Affairs. So these statements are correct. The program supports in the states to improve the irrigation infrastructure. Yes. Asking what the correct statements. 1 and 2 are correct statements. So answer is C. Which of the following are the responsible for the decrease of the per capita holding of the cultivation land in area? Low per capita income is not directly linked, so these statements are incorrect. Rapid rate of increase of population is linked, because you know that after increase of the population, automatic land cultivation is decreases. Practice of the dividing and land equality among the heirs is also there. Use of traditional technique of the fluffing is not cause for the decrease of the per capita holding of the cultivation of the land. Asking what the correct statement 2 and 3 are correct statements, so answer is B. Consider the following statements are correct. It granting maximum price have been component of the agriculture strategy that brought about the green revolution. These statements are incorrect because granted maximum price have not been component of the green revolution. Okay, so first statements are incorrect. The strategy of the green revolution aimed at increasing the yield of the crop using fertilizer, pesticide and high yielding variety in agriculture. Yes. Asking about the correct statements, so only 2 are correct statements, so answer is B. Consider the following statements. The Indian government fixes at a statutory minimum price of the sugar cane for each sugar season. These statements are correct. Sugar and sugar cane are essential commodities under the Essential Commodity Act 1955. These statements are also correct. Asking what correct statements, 1 or 2 are correct statements, so answer is C. Consider the following statements. Agriculture, including allied activities, accounts for the about 55% employment in the country according to Census 2011. These statements are correct. The growth in agriculture and allied sector is the necessary condition for the inclusive growth of India. Yes. Asking what correct statements, 1, 2 are correct statements, so answer is C. Consider the following statements are correct. Indian government announced the minimum support price of the 25 agriculture crop, not 10 agriculture crop. A common paddy has the higher minimum support price than the paddy grade A. These statements are incorrect because common paddy has lower minimum support price than the paddy grade A. So asking about the correct statement, so no one correct, so answer is D. This is the old question, so skip that. Consider the following statements. National Agriculture Insurance Scheme was launched in 1919. These statements are correct. The growth rate of the primary sector of the Indian economy sector never reached the 8% during the planning history of the Indian economy. These statements are incorrect because in the growth rate of agriculture sector reached 8% during the green revolution. So these statements are incorrect. Asking what the correct statement, so only one is correct, so answer is A. Consider the following statements. India is meeting 85% of the urea's fertilizer through indigenous production. Yes. India produced surplus amount of the fertilizers containing phosphorus and potassium. This statement is incorrect because India having lacking behind in the phosphorus and the potassium. So this fertilizer is imported from the US and other country. So asking about the correct statements, only one is correct statement. So answer is A. Arrange the following in decreasing order in the share of the disbursement of the credit or to agriculture sector. You know that the 85% about 60% of the commercial bank giving the lending to the agriculture sector. After that, cooperative bank 30% and other is regional rural bank. So asking about decreasing order, so commercial bank is the first, second is the cooperative bank, third regional bank. So answer is A. Consider the following statement about the National Bamboo Mission. National Bamboo Mission is implemented by the Division of the Horticulture. These statements are correct. The National Bamboo Mission is the 50-50 centrally state sponsor scheme. This statement is incorrect because National Bamboo Mission is having 100% central sponsor scheme. So asking what correct statements, so only one is correct. So answer is A. Match the following statements of the list 1 and list the technology mission on the IL seeds. It's come in 1986. The National Agriculture Insurance Scheme, you know that this come in the National Agriculture Scheme. What is that? 1919 to 2000, and Kisan Credit Card Scheme in the 1998, and the Kisan Call Center in 2004. Asking what correct statement. So A match with 4, B match with 3, and C match with 1, and D match with 2. So answer is C. This is the old question, so skip that. This is also old question, so skip that. And this is also a old question, so skip that. Consider the following statement. Soumitra Chaudhary Committee has been appointed to recommend the revision of the Consumer Price Index. This statement is incorrect because its recommendation for the Wholesale Price Index WPI. So first statement is incorrect. Average annual growth rate of the agriculture sector of the 11th 5-year was 3.3%, not 5.3%. So second statement is also incorrect. Asking about the correct statement, so no one is correct, so answer is D. This is also old question, so skip that. Consider the following statements. Agriculture, including allied activities, accounted for the about 50% employment in the country according to Census 2011. Yes, the growth in the agriculture and allied sector in the necessary condition for inclusive growth of India. Yes. Asking about correct statements, so 1 to our correct statements, so answer is C. Consider the following statements about the nutrition based subsidy. In India, nutrition based subsidy policy for fertilizer was implemented in 2010. These statements are correct. The nutrition-based subsidy policy for the fertilizer is applied only to the nitrogen and phosphorus. These statements are incorrect because nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur is also there. So these statements are incorrect. These statements are correct. India is meeting 85% of the area requirement through the indigenous production. Yes. Asking what correct statements, 1 3 correct statements. So answer is B. Which of the following agriculture holding have the largest percentage in India? You know that having the marginal holding having larger percentage in India, so answer is D. Thank you for discussion.